Hey, we have made it to week 2 of University Colloquium for summer 2020, and you're about to start the field trip part of the adventure. I wanted to point out to you, if you go back to this Start Here module and look at assignment values and due dates, I made this up. Hopefully it'll open here in a second. So this is a download document. You can see that we are right now, you guys just finished your autobiography, June 27. Comment about that. A lot of times it seemed like I had a few people that did really nice autobiographies and parts of it, but then many people seem to pivot to talk about education in general or needs of education, and that's not all what we're looking for here. All we're looking for here is your autobiography of how you connected with the environment as you were growing up. Reread the syllabus if you did not realize. I will accept revisions of the essays. I also wanted to point out to you, if you scroll down here, you can see that you've got a sustainability essay final due the last day of the semester, but you've got a draft due July 18th. So the draft is going to kind of build on the group project that you're doing, as well as learning about sustainability in your discipline. And then the final, you're going to pull in what you did with your autobiography and kind of expand it and develop it to talk about who you are and who you're becoming in regards to sustainability in the future. I wanted to back up again. We're now in week 2. You're going to be reading Aldo Leopold, The Land Ethic, Marjorie Stoneman Douglas about the Everglades River of Grass, and Vandana Shiva about biodiversity. Your field trip will be a freshwater field trip. Hopefully you will have an opportunity to go into one of the parks that I mentioned. You can do it totally online if you need to, but I'd strongly encourage you to go into the field with friends and family members, social distance, get up early in the morning and do it when it's nice and cool out, or right after a rain. Ecological Footprint, I think most of you have done that. It was due this morning, but we can certainly extend that deadline as well. Make sure that you sign the disclaimer so that you know that you're responsible for yourself. July 1st is the video for the freshwater field trip. There's criteria that say each field trip, I want to make sure that they have a title, that you say who all's in them, the date they were presented, and that sort of thing. And then toward the end of this week, right before the 4th of July weekend, your service learning proposal is due. I've already been speaking to a few of you about that, and we'll keep those conversations going. You can see week 3 is our urban field trip, and starting discussions about legalities. Week 4 is our estuarine field trip, but there's a couple really big assignments here that I wanted to make sure that you are hopefully working on now. That individual group work for your project is due the 15th, but your essay draft is due just a couple days later. And you've also got your discussion about the estuaries and sustainability. So that's just a quick look at the semester that's coming. I wanted to say welcome to week number 2. Have a wonderful time, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in cyberspace. I will be on Big Blue Button Tuesday and Thursday from 3:30 until 5 p.m.